Okay, hello all. In this video, we are going to talk about some basic problem about discount questions. So, in last video, we have told you that what is the meaning of the discount, mark price, and selling price. So, let us do some example for it to make you understand what I'm talking about. For example, in the real world, I mark something is $18, but I sell it only $6. So what is the discount we have? We can minus it immediately. So this is 18 minus 6. So this is $12. And for the mark price, you have the $35 and the selling price, we don't know, but I give you $8 less. That means the discount. So you can know the selling price is $35 minus $8 and equals $27. That means I will show you in $27. So finally, we have the selling price $60 and I give you the discount $15. So originally, you can add them together. So they may be 62 plus $15. So that is $77. Okay, so this is question 1. We are going to make use of these formula to help you to do the questions. Okay, now we will go to question 2. Okay, now look at this. The mark price of a chair is $75. So obviously we know that mark price is $75. In a sale, okay, maybe I put it more here. Catherine buys the chair with a discount of $6. So this time the discount is $6. So we are going to find the discount percent. So let me put the formula for you to do the question easily. Okay, please give me some time. So you can do it by yourself first before I give you the formula. Okay, now I will give you the formula like this. Okay, this is the discount formula. Okay, discount percent. Okay, now look at this. We are going to calculate the discount percent. So what can we do is that we just write here the discount percent. Okay, we're going to write down discount percent will equals the discount, that means the $6 over the mark price $75 times 100%. So we will get the discount percent here. And now we are going to do the cancellations. 75 and 100, you have 4, you have 3, and then you have 2. So this is 8%. So you have something that 8% here. Okay, this is the discount percent. Question 2. So I will give you 15 seconds for you to understand the question first. Okay, now we will go to question 3. The mark price of a watch is $800. In a sale, it is sold at $324. Okay, you are going to find the discount and the discount percent. So let me look at the discounts first. The mark price, obviously, we know that this is the mark price, is $800. And it is sold for $324. So that means this one is the selling price. So this time I will give you 15 seconds to do question A. Find the discount. And then you know the formula. Okay, I gave you the formula and please find the answer in 10 seconds. Okay, so the answer for question A, question 3, part A, will be the discount will equals to the mark price, that is $800, minus the selling price, $324. So the answer for this one is $476 you have. So it's a very big discount for this shop. Okay, so you have $476 for it. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to understand it. And next, you are going to find the discount percent. So let me turn it to the question 2 formula, so that with the 476, so please do it by yourself in 15 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the answer of the discount percent. Okay, now we have the discount percent. So first of all, we have the discount. The discount we have is $476. And then over the mark price is the $800. So we have $476, the discount, and the $800 mark price here. You can times 100%, and so we can do the cancellation. And then we have the 8 with the, that one is 47, is the 8 5, and then we can have the 76, 89.5. So the percentage change is, the discount percent is 59.5% for part B. Okay. So this is question B. Okay, I'll give you 15 seconds. Okay, now we will go to question 4. Okay, a supermarket offers a 10% discount on all the items shown. If the mark price of a pack of chocolates in the supermarket is $42, find the discount. So first of all, what do we know is the chocolate with the mark price is $42, a little bit expensive. And we are going to find the discount. And we are with the discount percent is to 10%. Okay, now let us look at the formula. What we have formula 3. Because we are going to find the discount, and we have mark price and the discount percent, so we will use formula 3. So this is time I will give you 15 seconds to do this question. Okay, now we will do the answer. The discount will equals, you have the $42 times the 10%. So you will see immediately 42 times 10 over 100, and you got $4.2 for this question. So I will finish it. I will stop here for 10 seconds. So please try to understand these questions. Okay, and we will go to question 5. If you have any problem in this question, you can pause the video now. Otherwise, we will go to question 5. A dress is shown at a discount of 8%. So obviously, this is the discount percent, 8%. If the mark price of the dress is $250, so this one is the mark price. and then find the selling price of the dress. So we are going to find the selling price. So we can look at all the formula we have. We have the last formula is the formula 4. We are going to find the selling price, and then we find the mark price, and we have the discount percent. So we have all these things, and so you're going to calculate the selling price. Okay, I'll give you 15 seconds to do this. Okay, if you cannot finish, just pause the video now, and we will have the answer now. Okay, for the selling price, okay, equals. Now look at the formula. We have the mark price here. So mark price is $250 times 1 minus the discount percent is 8%. So we have the selling price. So this is $250 times 92%, and you have $250 times 92 over 100, and we got this is 2, this is 5, and 2 and 92, you have 4 and 6. So the answer for this one is $230. Okay, so I'll give you 10 seconds for you to understand it. Okay, now I will go to question 6. Okay, let me we will do part A first. In a sale, all the product in a shop are shown as a discount of 12%. So once again, this is discount percent. And then if the mark price, mark price immediately. Mark price is $115. Find the selling price. To compute again. So you will see once again, this is the formula 4. We have the selling price, we have the mark price, and also the discount percent. Okay, so let you do it now. 15 seconds. Okay, now let me have the selling price. Now, you will have the mark price is $115 times 1 minus 12%. So what do we have? Okay, let me move them. So we have 150 times 88%. So you will have 150 times 88 over 100. And we can do the cancellation. This is 2, this is 3, this is 44 times 3. So you will have $142 for the selling price. So this is part A. So we found the selling price is $142. So we are going to tell you the discount. So obviously you can use the mark price and the selling price to minus them together. So we have another formula number 1. So I'll give you 10 seconds to solve the problem. So the answer discount. Okay, I can do it quick. Will equals $150 minus $132. So the answer is $18. Okay, we have the problem. Okay, now I will go to question 7 for you. Brian buys a jacket for $850 at 15% off. Oh, that's great. Find the mark price. Okay, now this time we find the first one. We find the mark price. Unluckily, every time you say that, every time you find the denominator, you must let the unknown x every time you have. Okay, so you're going to find the mark price. So obviously, unluckily, you must let x be the mark price. So obviously, every time we will have something that in the denominator, we have to let x. And then buys a jacket for $805. Brian is the customer, so I buy it. So $850 is the selling price. With 15% off, that means this one 15% is the discount percent. In Chinese, it's very difficult for you to understand because in Chinese, 15% off. In Chinese, it's called 8五折. That means I will keep 85% of the money for the product, and the other 15% I will cut it away. So that means the discount percent will be a little bit changed from the Chinese. If you see something Chinese, it's called 8五折. So that means that you will have the discount percent is the 50%. So if you see something that called 15% off in the real world, that means that discount percent will be 15%. So please pay attention about the work you have. Okay, now I'm going to calculate it with the formula for. Once again, the selling price is $850. Mark price unknown, I have it, and I want to find the discussed percent is the 15%. So I will give you 15 seconds to do it. If you do not have enough time to do the question, just pause the video. Okay, now I will discuss the answer with you all. If you are continuing your work, just pause the video now. And we have the formula. X is the mark price, so we write X here. Times, we can use this dot as times. Sometimes I don't want to mix the X and the cross up. Okay, so we have 1 minus 15%. And it will be equal to $850. So you have this selling price formula. So you have X times 85% equals 850. Also, that's right. I think that we have a very good cancellation here. Okay, so X will equals 850. Okay, I move it a little bit. Divided by 85%. So X equals 850. Divided by 85 over 100, and then we can do the cancellation. 850 times 100 over 85. We do cancellation, this one and this one. This is obvious 10, this is 1, so X is $1,000. So the mark price is $1,000. So I'll give you 15 seconds to understand these questions. Okay, now we will go to the last question. That is the question 8 in this video. In a bookstore, all the products are sold at 16% off. That means this one is the discount percent, right? And Tim buys a dictionary and saves $28 after it. So this one is the discount. What is the mark price of the dictionary? Unluckily, once again, we are going to find the mark price. So that means we must let, and maybe this time, be the mark price. And this time you will think that a little bit different from the question 7. This time I have the discount, and I have the mark price, and I have the discount percent. But this time I do not have the selling price. So we will never use the formula 4, and we will use only the formula 3. Because the discount will equals mark price times the discount percent. So I will give you 15 seconds to do these questions. Okay, now I will discuss the answers. So please pay attention. If you cannot finish, just pause the video now. Okay, now look at the question. We have the mark price. So we write that in here. Times the discount percent is 16%. Immediately, you will have equal to the $28. Okay, so you have the formula like this immediately. And we can find the answer 28 divided by 16%. Then n equals 28 divided by 16 over 100. And then n equals 28, 100 over 16. This one we have 4 and 25. This one is 4 and 7. So n will equal to $175. So that means the mark price is $175. I'm sorry. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay, now I will give you 15 seconds to understand these questions. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.